Once your students know how to hold their recorder, the next thing you want to do is teach them how to blow in it. It's not a trumpet, it's a recorder. So it's very gentle breath. I always have them blow out gently on their hands. Some people say warm breath versus cold breath, but I just like them to blow very gently so they can just barely feel the breath on their hand. Then I always have them take off the head of their recorder first and just blow. If they don't like the sound in the room, it's often very loud, so cover your ears, then they will learn really quickly that this is a bad sound. Just a little sound. Then when they put it back on the recorder, make sure they know how to line it up with the holes. Gentle breath. If you like videos like this, comment 5 secrets and I will send you out the 5 secret music teacher hacks written especially for newer music teachers.